Well, you don't know that they're happy doing that either. It's an assumption to assume they're happy doing it, and it's also an assumption to assume that they want to not turn. They may not even, or they want to not listen to music. They may, like you, have just never even considered the possibility. Oh, wait, I can do that. I mean, the thing is, when you're learning in the absence of any sort of actual guidance, and all you're doing is you're seeing these hodgepodge videos on the internet that have no pedagogy associated with them, with nobody suggesting any sort of, this is one way you can learn. This is another way you can learn. These are different techniques that will help you evolve. This is how you can move into creating flows. Like, nobody's saying that. So how does somebody learn? They do what we all do, which we learned to do when we were pre-verbal. We model the behaviors that we see. But in the absence of knowing what's going on in the head or ears of the other person, you don't know when you see a video or whether somebody was listening to music or they put the sound over it. You also don't know if they were trying to dance or not trying to dance. The thing is, we just don't know, because all you're seeing is this tiny little snapshot of this, whatever, 2 minute, 1 minute, 3 minute moment of their experience. We don't know what led up to it. We don't know how they got there. We don't know what motivated them in their heart. We don't know what they were thinking in their brain. We have no knowledge. And if you're trying to learn from a vacuum of just these tiny little, it's almost like you're seeing these moving snapshots of information that are completely disconnected from each other. How are you supposed to even know what's available? So it's not even like they are necessarily consciously making the choice of, I don't want to move. Like, maybe, I mean, it's different for somebody that's been spinning a decade, right? But if you're just starting, you may not even know that moving is possible, especially if you haven't found any videos with people moving. How would you know? You may not know that turning is a thing. How would you know? You only know what you see if what you're doing is learning from video. Now, this is what the advantage was for somebody in my era. There were no videos, so you had to figure it out. And so there was a lot of thwack, thwack, thwack. But the benefit was, after lots and lots and lots of thwack, 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 you had things that you understood in a different way than if you were trying to copy what you see